Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will work with several free objects: PDF file, QR code, MathML Code, blog widget. Let's start with PDF file. This object allows you to display PDF files on site page. Please note that not all users will see the PDF file, as this depends on their browser and browser settings. You can choose two types, for example iframe. You can specify file location in the internet or local file. Let's load local file. Let's set high, for example, like this, and export our site to the disk on local server. Here is my site from previous video tutorials. Here is our object, and here we can see PDF file on the page. The next object is QR code. This object allows you to display a special image that can be scanned using smartphone in this line. For example, you can insert a link, and now let's see how it looked on the site, like this. And now let's see how it looks on mobile device. I scan it with my program, and now I can see my site. This is the link that I insert. So that's how does it work. The next object is a MathML code. This object allows you to display mathematical formulas in the form of symbols, not in the form of image. MathML markup language, MathML, is a mathematical markup language, an application of XML for describing mathematical notations and capturing both its structure and content. If you want to show some specific formula, you will first have to create code for it. Unfortunately, I cannot help you with this question, but I can show you some examples. I find them in the internet, so I insert the code, and here we can see it on the site. These are symbols, not image. Let's insert another code. Here it is. Here is more complex. And another example. So, as you can see, this is numbers. In previous video tutorial, we look at the paid object RSS feed. Using RSS feed object, you can display blog entries or RSS feed on the page of your site. Now we will work with free object called blog widget. Blog widget object is free and allows you to display several recent posts from the blog. First, let's create a page for it. Now let's insert it. We need to set PHP file extension for this page. If you already have the page, you can change the extension here in Properties, Export, File Name Format, PHP. We can see some posts from our blog. Here is our blog posts. Here is our widget. In the next video, we'll talk about useful objects and settings that will help you in site creation. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about new videos on time.